Ready to apply for the KNB Scholarship? This step-by-step guide has you covered. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire application process for the Kementerian Negara Berkembang KNB Scholarship, a prestigious opportunity to study in Indonesia. Learn how to upload correctly your documents and all the details about the application process. We'll also share tips on how to stand out as a candidate and increase your chances of being selected for this fully funded scholarship. Don't miss out on this chance to pursue your academic dreams in Indonesia. Watch now on Gue Gania channel and start your journey towards a brighter future with the KNB Scholarship.
Hello guys, welcome back, and if you are new, also welcome. My name is Muhammad Selujallo. I am a KNB Scholarship holder 2023, and today I will be talking about how to step-by-step apply to this scholarship. Okay, so make sure to stay until the end of this video, and if you did not yet subscribe, I invite you also to subscribe so that you get update from time to time about scholarship in Indonesia and also abroad. Okay, so today we'll be talking about directly how to apply for the scholarship. Okay, so first of all, as you can see here, there are many things that you have already seen, and today all what interests you is how to apply. So we're going straight to the point. So you go to the apply button, you click on, and then they will directly send you. You put your email and sign in, and as you can see here, they will directly successfully save your information, and you will receive an email about the application on to verify your email so that you start your online application. As you can see here, there is verify your email. There is verify your email, and you can either choose to verify your email or click on directly how to this link that you see below. Once you click on it, they've directly sent you to this page, and this page here, all you have to do is to fill it, put your name. If you have a middle name, you put it, last name, and then you put your last name, and you choose a password. Okay, make sure you choose a good password so that you don't forget it. Once you have it, then you click on to the next step to save it. You can choose to save it so that once you come back, because after you can also come back to save your data and then continue your application, because this is a step-by-step program. You can start and then come back later. Once you have it, you directly click on it, and they will send you back to the link, and then you put your email, your password, as you have already saved it. All you have to do is to put the correct email and then click on sign in. Once you have it, they will directly send you to this portal. It's here that everything happened from your application to your acceptance program in this kind of scholarship. Currently, as you can see, we just have two steps. Sign in, we already signed, we verified the account. We're waiting for submission because we did not start, and then nomination verification. After you finish to submit your application, they will verify it, and after that they will nominate either you are accepted or not. Once you have done, you come directly down, you click on create application. Once you click on create application, you will see this personal information, all that you need to fill step by step. Okay, make sure that you put all those information correctly. For example, the Facebook page or other social media, so that they know that you are someone who is active in your community or something. Okay, let's start this. There's personal information. You put your country, your picture. You already know what kind of picture if you watch other videos that I have made, the passport and everything. Okay, once you finish the personal information, you come to the academic program. Make sure that you check on this personal information. Okay, if everything is correct, you directly come to academic information. You put your GPA, you put your transcript, the English language certificate. If you come from an English speaking country, you click on it, you provide a document from your school. And if you are not from an English speaking country, you provide IELTS or TOEFL. Okay, directly, so that they know that you speak English, and you come, or either you come from a speaking country or you speak English from the certificate you will provide. Once you are done, also put the academic certificate, meaning the transcript and the diploma that we have. After that, your recommendation letter and the recommendation letter that you got from the embassy. Okay, and then your employer immediate recommendation letter, and then the BIPA. BIPA is the program for Bahasa Indonesia. If this is optional because you did not have it, once you have uploaded everything here, you also check to ensure that everything is correctly uploaded at its own space. Make sure to give also the title of the document that you also uploaded. For example, high school result, testimonial, school result, recommendation letter, and so on. Okay, to make sure that everything is okay. And also people who will be reviewing your application will know that this is someone who knows what he is doing or what she is doing. Okay, as you can see here, all the document I named it, and for BIPA I let it because it's just optional. Once you are here, you will study the Bahasa Indonesian language. So after you finish this, you just save it. Then you come to the one of the most important part. This is to choose your degree and the university. Make sure to choose the degree that you would like to study, and also to choose the first university where you want to study. Because if you choose another university or program that you don't like, you think that you will change once in Indonesia, it's not possible. It's not possible at all. So you have already many university here that you can choose. You can first check them before applying. You check the acceptance rate, where they are, how many international students they have, so that this can help you. And once you have done, you just choose your degree, and then you click on save. Once you finish it, you come to statement. This statement is just, you read it carefully. Make sure you read it carefully. Okay, all you have to do is also, of course, to accept it, but you need to know all those programs because these are information part of the scholarship. Once you have done everything, you come back, you click on I agree with personal statement above, and then you click on the next. Once you click on this next, they will send you directly to the statement, the personal statement. You've done it, and then the medical condition. The medical condition here is to make sure that you are someone who is healthy and who can be able to travel, of course. So all these space here, you just click on no, because you don't have medical professor ever treated you for genocidal medication for any of the following. For example, cancer, cardiovascular, emphysema, asthma, lupus. So all those part, you make sure that you click on no. You see, click no, and then the D also you click no, and so on until the end of this section. Don't make this mistake to click on yes here, because everything that you need to put here is no. Because if you click on yes, you will make yourself in trouble. For example, they will know, oh, this one is not fit for travel. Even if you click on yes, make sure that you have certificate that trust you are someone who is healthy and who will be able to travel. Okay, if not, just click on no, 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 no. And once you are done, you check everything that is very, very correct in this part. Once you're done, you review, of course. Once you finish the review, you click on next. You click on next so that you go to the other page to finish this application that you have already started. You see, this is next, for example. And then data. This is the last part. You can sign here, draw signature. You can make your signature here directly online here. When you make the signature, if you are not satisfied, you can come down, clear the signature that you've made, and restart it until you be satisfied about your signature. Once you are done about the signature, you make sure that everything is correct. There is the submit button down there. Okay, the submit button there. But before you submit, please make sure that all the information you uploaded are correct. You start by personal information, academic information, university, the university you choose, the study program you choose, especially for this study program, because I know some students who are here currently who would like to change the study program, but they cannot do it. So after that, you just submit. Okay, so I wish you good luck. I wish you good luck in your future endeavor. And if you did not already subscribe to my channel, I also invite you to subscribe. And as you can see, I have many scholarship that I have already uploaded, and also a playlist for KNB Scholarship. I interviewed the coordinator, some student about life in Indonesia and how everything is going here. So you can watch all those this playlist to have an idea about Indonesia, to have an idea about what is waiting for you as a KNB scholarship holder. I'm telling you, it's a life-changing program. Good luck, and if you need any help, just in the description of this video, there is my WhatsApp group link. You can directly go to the group and then ask me any question you want. I will be happy to help you. Share this information with your friends who are interested about the KNB scholarship and other people to help them. Thank you so much, and see you in the next video.